What if AI isn't just making things for you? What if it's showing you layers of yourself that maybe you didn't notice before? This is our AI and layers discussion. We're going to talk about it, the layers that AI helped us uncover in ourselves, in our relationships, in our abilities and creation, and how we want to create with that in the future. We're going to hear others' opinion, we're going to have insightful questions, we're going to inspire and be inspired. So welcome, Goddesses, and if you don't know what this is the AI Goddesses community. Every week we meet up to do an activity together, whether online or in person, with AI, different activity, a playful way to learn. And every month we do a discussion like this. This month our theme is layers, so of course our discussion is AI and layers. I'm the founder of this community. My name is Faye. I'm an AI educator. I teach AI to people in private classes, in workshops, and in this beautiful community, which is my passion project. As I'm a digital nomad, I made this a global community and I do in-person meetups wherever I go. And the rest of the time, I'm with you online in our WhatsApp community. Our purpose in this community is that women everywhere can feel confident and playful and enjoy AI in their everyday life. This month we've been working with layers. We saw layers in images, we saw layers in the way we use tools together, and we'll see them in our psychological and even vibe coding way. Today we'll discuss them, and it's an important topic because there's a lot of strength in layers. In today's discussion, we have 3 topics. Our first one is what AI helped us uncover. Our second topic is why build your own toolkit. And our last topic is the creative loop with AI. This new technology, new thing that is in the space of our thinking as well, can help us do so much more than just write an email. It can help us think to our behavior, think to our patterns, maybe see new sides of ourselves. You can get new skills, have new skills by just using AI, discover them in yourself. For example, for me, I'm not drawing or painting, but I have an aesthetic eye. And I know when something looks good, and many times people agree with me, but I could never paint it. So I never really discovered my design skill before that. But now with AI, where I create the images, I create the websites, I do the whole thing, I'm suddenly noticing this new skill of mine. I'm also not a musical person, but I'm writing songs now and I love them. Maybe this has happened to you too. So our first question, the question for this topic is, what new skill, a side of you, or a new connection has AI helped you discover? Let's move on to our second topic. Why build your own AI toolkit? No single AI tool does everything, but when we layer them together, we get so much than each of them can do alone. We can also see that with people, with collaboration, and it's true here as well. Now, once you start layering the tools together, you can build your own workflows, your own kind of systems that work the way you work. You don't need to go to another system to prepare it. For example, we saw the way that we could layer AI in our last activity, the outfit layers, where we created an image with AI, and then we used an AI that can see the image and search the details in it. We layered these 2 functions together, and we actually found the dream outfit we imagined in the real world to buy if we want to wear it. So these 2 tools together, the AI search plus the AI image creation, were so much more powerful than each of them on their own. You don't need all the tools in the world, but the few that you find useful, that you find that work just perfect for you, can make your life so much better, especially if you use them together. Our question for the second topic is, what can you build now with AI that you couldn't build before by yourself? Our third and final topic is the creative loop with AI. This is a fascinating topic. This is how I build the activity for you every week. I try something, I give in my thoughts, the AI fixes it, I try it again, maybe a different tool. I'm doing a creative loop that together produces these activities. When you start creating with AI, it's not just one prompt and we're done. It's a loop, it's a collaboration, it's a round, it's something that the AI gives you. You look, you give your twist, you go again. And this creative collaboration loop is what's driving your creativity into life. Because without it, it's just the AI running loops on its own. So it's really important that we're part of the process, but also that you can see the process. It's a brainstorming, it's a collaboration. It's not a command. We dive into the creative loop, but it's not about how many rounds you make. It's about what you bring. Sometimes it only takes me 2 rounds to get to what I wanted, because I was inspired and very clear at the moment, and my eye knows me really well. But sometimes it gives me an idea in one of the loops, where I am in one of the rounds where I'm like, oh, this is amazing, we need to develop it more. And then it would take me longer because I have a new direction to develop and new ideas to show. My question for you for this topic, our last question, is how many rounds did it take your last creation with AI to feel yours? What do we take with us home today from the discussion? In our first topic, we talked about the layers that AI helped us uncover in ourselves, in our patterns, things that maybe we didn't fully see before. In our second topic, we talked about why build your own toolkit when we layer the tools together and make them adjusted and customized for how we work. And our last topic was about the creation loop, about the layers that you bring in yourself, that you bring into every layer of the creation of the round. What other layers have you noticed in your use with AI? A parting gift for you. If you want to go deeper, explore more, learn more about the topic that we discussed today or anything, I recommend this amazing tool, Perplexity.ai. I'm gonna give you a little challenge right now to go search something in Perplexity and see how it can help you. So Perplexity is an AI search engine. It shows us really comfortably our search results, and you can see the sources and check them and confirm that the information you're getting is true and not hallucinated by the AI. So next time that you're stuck on something, or maybe if you have something right now, go to Perplexity and say, no, I'm stuck on this problem, describe your problem and your goals, be clear. And ask, is there a tool, AI or otherwise, that can help me with it? There might already be a tool out there that you can add to your toolkit, you can layer into your workflow and save yourself a lot of time and work. You're welcome to bring back what you found and share with us. Maybe someone else is stuck on exactly the same thing and you just found the perfect tool for her workflow. Thank you so much for joining me for this discussion. I hope you bring this discussion forward and invite a friend to join and discover with us. The more women in this conversation, the richer it can get, the more impact it will have. I will see you next week for our next activity. And in the meantime, if you can't wait to learn more about AI, I've got you covered. Go to our website, aigoddesses.community, and go to resources. In resources, you will find my favorite tools that I use in my toolkit, a bunch of magical prompts, and more activities like this so you can learn with us about AI.